Hello everyone. Thank you for watching, sharing and appreciating all the videos in my channel on the topics infinity walking exercise, clapping therapy, palming therapy, acupressure for some common health ailments, EFT tapping therapy and breath soul breathing. In this video, I am going to share a very natural therapy with you all which we practice in our day-to-day life. We all go through stressful situations in our lives at some point or the other, and if not taken care of, the extreme stress can lead to many health problems. There are many therapies and exercises which helps us in releasing the stress out of our body and makes us feel better. But do you know there is one such natural therapy, a natural gesture which we practice in our day-to-day life, which is loaded with amazing health benefits. There is a saying, let your smile conquer all the problems and difficulties. Don't allow the negativity to steal your smile. Yes, you're right. I am talking about the smile therapy. A smile is a very natural and common gesture which we all do while taking a selfie or getting a photograph clicked or while greeting somebody. Everyone is more beautiful with a smile. It is simple self-care. The mind-body connection is powerful and a smile floods the body with chemicals and hormones of happiness as you crinkle your eyes and curl the corners of your lips upward. A smile is a facial expression which shows happiness in a person, and there are many reasons for which a person would smile. One smiles because they feel joy, happiness, or when they remember some good memories, or when they hear or see something funny. One smiles when they are in love. One smiles when they partake in an enjoyable and fun activity, or when they feel embarrassed, or one smiles to be polite. One even smiles when they are trying to fake happiness or to cover up underlying emotions and fears. A smile is perceived to be an outward sign of self confidence and internal satisfaction. A real smile has a genuine effect on others. Smiling is good for our health in a number of ways. So let's have a quick look at the benefits of smiling. When we smile, our brain releases tiny molecules called neuropeptides to help fight off stress. Then other neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin and endorphins also come into play. The endorphins act as a mild pain reliever, whereas the serotonin is an antidepressant. People suffering from manic depression can feel much better with just daily 20-minute sessions where they have to just simply sit and smile. When we smile, our body actually creates the physiology of happiness and health. A smile is an inexpensive way to change your looks. A person who wears a genuine smile on their faces attracts people in their surroundings. A genuine smile is a smile which engages the muscles of mouth, cheeks and eyes. A happy face does more than just improve your appearance. It helps to encourage people to trust the one who smiles. You must have heard this for sure. Smile and the whole world smiles with you. Yes, indeed. A smile is contagious. Others will want to be with you when you smile, and you will be helping others feel good with just one smile. Smiling slows the heart rate and relaxes the muscles in the body, allowing the heart to work properly without overworking, decreasing the chance of heart failure and disease. Stress, which is a very common and huge problem among many people across the globe. Smiling releases endorphins that counteract and diminishes the stress hormones, thus reducing stress. If one is stressed, it is always best to take a break and do something else that is enjoyable and will make one smile. The endorphins do more than just reduce the stress in one's life. They lift one's mood, making them feel happier and better all around. So if you try, even when it's difficult to smile, when you're not feeling good, there's a chance it might improve your effect and change the way you're feeling. Smiling increases productivity while performing tasks. People who enjoy the work that they partake in smile more, and therefore they are more productive and successful. It also produces empathy. Many people smile when they are caught doing something that they should not be doing or they are embarrassed by their actions. The smile response tends to break the ice of others' reactions towards the action that caused the embarrassment and makes others feel empathy towards the questionable actions. Smiling and laughing is a way to release natural endorphins that relieve pain. Also, a smile increases positive attention. When a person smiles or laughs and is genuinely happy, it increases positive attention and attracts more people. A smile produces more happiness hormones in our body. It helps in depression, it lowers blood pressure, and when smile therapy is done in combination with breath soul breathing, it also helps to boost the immune system of our body because it helps in making the cells of our body healthier, and thus it significantly improves overall health. Smile therapy is an incredible way to engage in spiritual development of our being. When we uplift everyone around us with this inspired mood, we are able to see the solutions to the problems effortlessly. We promote harmony and grace in our relationships, and there are so many health benefits in a simple smile. Some benefits are obvious while others are surprising, but if one can benefit physically and emotionally from wearing a simple smile upon their face, why not smile more? Just smile. It will allow you to live longer and have a more enjoyable life. So, from now on, smile even if you don't feel like it. Maybe a few hours later, you will find you're doing it naturally. Change your expression to change your mood. Now, let's see how to utilize the benefits of smile therapy in our life. Just pick a time during the day when you have some space. Maybe when you first wake up, or when you go to sleep or meditate. And what you have to do? Yes, smile and smile and smile. Smile until it becomes deeply real for you. Experience every cell of your body smiling. Do it for any time between 5 and 20 minutes. Try it out every day for 10 days. If it works for you, you'll have a wonderful new tool. Practicing breath soul breathing along with smile therapy benefits our health amazingly, as breath soul breathing helps to oxygenate the cells of our body and smile therapy produces happy hormones in our body. So together it significantly improves our overall health. All you have to do is just smile and focus on your breathing. Whether you're at home watching television with your family, or out with your friends, or in a workplace, in a meeting with your colleagues, or in a bus or a train, or anywhere, in any situation, just find opportunities to smile and spread smiles. So, before you go to sleep, just smile and breathe and let go of all the stress, all the negativity, all the bad memories that you went through throughout the day, and you will see a positive change in yourself. When you get up in the morning, smile in the mirror. Do that every morning, and you will start to see a big difference in your life. Your day will be energetic and filled with positivity. We shall never know all the good that a simple smile can do. So, happy smiling. Wish you a healthy life forever.